part of tag question. When the statement has negative words such as hardly, barely, seldom, scarcely, rarely, never, nothing, etc., its tag will become affirmative. For example, barking dog is seldom bites. Is it? Because here is given seldom in this statement, so its tag will be affirmative. Nothing is pure. Statement is also so negative, so its tag will be affirmative. When the statement has first form of verb V1, second form of verb V2 and fifth form of verb V5, its tag will don't, didn't and doesn't respectively. For example, Hari speaks English, doesn't he? Johan told a story, don't he? We play guitar, don't we? V5 with always takes, doesn't, V2 with always takes, didn't, and V1 with always takes, don't.